Hi, I'm Matthew Murray, back again with more tips and tricks. One of the reasons the floor sinks are really so important to have in a restaurant or bar and be able to utilize them correctly is because sometimes you have a lot of items that just need to drain, and you can't have pipes running everywhere and out of the building, and you can't hard pipe everything in because sometimes items need to move. So for example, at a front bar here, we've got floor sinks that are servicing multiple items. Down here, there are 1, 2, 3 different drains running to the same floor sink. So we've got our ice bin, we've got our sink, we've got our liquor display cabinet, and next to it, the item that's going to drain is your corner drain there too. So all of these are drained to one location. You'll see the same thing in other parts of the bar here too. We have a dishwasher that needs to drain. Sometimes those need to be hard piped depending on the temperature of the water. And you've got another hand sink, and yet another sink, and another ice bin, and a drain board. So the floor sink's really your only option, and it's a great option, but you just got to remember those rules for floor sinks about how to slope and to make sure that your pipes are not sticking directly into the floor sink, and quite often that floor sink's not in the way of your actual equipment, because those floor sinks go in long before your bar equipment gets set in place.